Welcome to Level TV from the 2013, where we have the Sony Smartwatch 2 here now in a working sample, which is a quite nice smartwatch for 190 bucks. So it's a little bit cheaper than the Samsung smartwatch, but for example we don't have a camera inside here. But what we have is an Android operating system with a small screen. Of course you can see here the buttons on the bottom, which we could press, but they're all locked unless you not press the button here on the side, where you can see that the display light went on, and then if you hit the home button you can here go right away inside the menu where we have some apps installed. And you can check out all the apps that are installed actually also on your Sony smartphone. So you just have to unlock your Sony smartphone, select here up on top the Smartwatch 2, and then you can check everything that we have on here with the real name and the same icons. And you could change, of course, a lot of things on here. Also, you can download even more apps where you can select between communication, lifestyle, and so on categories, and then they will be all in the Google Play Store. But there is like 30 or 40 apps right now. But even for the old smartphone, the apps are available here on the smartwatch. So let's just check out here a little bit of the apps that are installed. There's not too many actually, but for example you can go here in the settings, go on the display, change the brightness, how it should alert you. It's in German, for example, right now, so you can switch to English if you would want to use it in English. Now you can see it's easier for you guys to understand. You can change the date, time, apps, watch faces, also quite nice. I could say, for example, I want here this watch face, so when I lock it, it shows me what time it is this way, not the other way that you have actually seen before. So otherwise you can control your music on your smartphone. You can here use it as a flashlight, which would mean that, for example, the flashlight is not turning on here, but it just makes the screen white. It's an interesting app. And then we have here the possibility to just install a lot of apps, use it quite nicely in our everyday usage scenario. But for 190 bucks, it's maybe not the cheapest app, and you can also say that you should sort it via favorites or from A to Z. Here with the settings button, and of course you need the settings button in some apps to just have the possibility to use the settings. So till next time, this was just a really short hands-on here with the really slim smartwatch by Sony. It's the Smartwatch 2, has a micro USB actually, but otherwise it's waterproof. So if you keep this closed, you can also go with it for a round of swimming, but otherwise really you should check out for that. And it's made from metal, feels quite nice, it's not too heavy, and we have also a really big button here on the side, so you can use it in your everyday user scenario easily. Till next time, my name is Balazs from the 2013. Thank you much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Level TV.